Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a fan of Hyatt Hotels and their rewards program, you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down how to use Hyatt Free Night in 2025 feet, a simple way to score a free stay and make your travels even more rewarding. Let's dive right in. First things first, what is a Hyatt Free Night? It's a certificate you earn through the World of Hyatt loyalty program, allowing you to book a night at participating hotels without paying. You can snag these by accumulating points from stays, using your Hyatt credit card, or through special promotions. With updates for 2025, it's easier than ever to redeem them, but always check the latest program details on the Hyatt website. Now, let's walk through the steps to use your free night certificate. Step 1. Log into your World of Hyatt account via the app or website. Make sure your account is up to date. Double-check your points and certificates here. Step 2. Head to the Book section and search for the hotel and dates you want for 2025. Remember, some properties might have blackout dates or restrictions, so plan ahead to avoid disappointments. Step 3. When you select your room, look for the option to apply a free night award. It should pop up during the booking process. Just choose your certificate from the available rewards. Step 4. Review your booking details, confirm everything, and voila, you're all set. You'll receive a confirmation email, and your free night is locked in. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always book directly through Hyatt to ensure your rewards are applied correctly, and keep an eye on expiration dates since certificates typically last a year. If you're new to the program, consider signing up for the Hyatt credit card for more earning opportunities. There you have it. Using your Hyatt free night in 2025 is straightforward and can save you a bundle on your next trip. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Hyatt experiences. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.